Now that's Rasta pasta. Alright y'all, so we are back in the kitchen. Today we are cooking lazy Rasta pasta. And when I say lazy, it's because we are going to skip and let all the stuff that's already been chopped up for us do what it do today. But let's get into this quick meal. We got some medium shrimp, some Parmesan cheese, seasoned with peppers, some chicken broth, heavy whipping cream, some smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, or the penne noodles, and fresh garlic. So let's get into this meal. So as you guys can see, I've already chopped up some steak over here. I'm going to cut it into some smaller pieces. I have a mixture of green peppers, red peppers, and onions going on over here. I have the penne noodles already on the stove. So just the other day, I made some Alfredo chicken with chicken breast. So I'm gonna add that in too because there's already Alfredo sauce. So this is gonna now have chicken, steak, and shrimp. So while I have the steak on the stove with the peppers and all the seasonings, I'm gonna go ahead and start making my Alfredo sauce. Pop it in the oven with some Parmesan cheese, and voila, there you have it. Here you go, the finished product of your Rasta pasta. And now we gotta just get a spoon. Look at that. So now here's the real thing. We're gonna give my daughter a taste test. Now, when I cook, whether it's in my family or not, I always want an honest opinion. So I'm gonna give her some in a bowl. She's gonna taste it, and we're gonna see her thoughts. Forget a taste test the most. You recording? You know I like my food piping. That's the only way to eat that Rasta pasta is when it's piping hot.
Oh my God, come through with that Rasta pasta, this chicken and Alfredo. Rasta pasta is so good.
Yeah. Alright y'all, so the reason why I call this lazy Rasta pasta is, as you guys can see, it is pretty much crushed. We crushed that. Because typically I would cut up my peppers. I would also make sure that my shrimp is peeled by hand from the seafood market. And today I didn't do that. I did bag shrimp. I did bag peppers because there's no excuse, even when you're tired, for your family to not have a meal that tastes great. With that being said, that makes it lazy Rasta pasta, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish this because it was delicious. Okay, delicious. All right, see you guys later.